You drink your 8 glasses a day. You take your morning vitamins. Yet somehow, you're still dragging yourself through the afternoon with heavy limbs and a cloud of brain fog. The culprit behind this constant exhaustion is often something operating entirely unnoticed on a microscopic level: chronic, low-grade dehydration. Standard health guidelines rely on a very specific assumption. They assume that your body perfectly absorbs and utilizes every single ounce of water or nutrient you swallow. Drinking fluids is a separate process from absorbing them. Even if you are hitting your daily intake targets, your cells can still operate at a structural deficit. When you swallow a glass of water or a supplement, it has to navigate a grueling obstacle course before it can actually benefit you. It enters the gastrointestinal tract, a highly acidic environment breaking down organic matter. The payload visibly degrades, passing through the stomach. Reaching the intestines, it hits a mechanical limit. Surviving particles bounce off the intestinal wall, allowing only a tiny fraction into your bloodstream. This biological restriction is known as the bioavailability bottleneck. Because of this restriction, your body can only extract and utilize a small percentage of the beneficial ingredients you consume orally. Relying on the human digestive tract as a primary delivery system limits how many resources actually reach your exhausted cells. Intravenous hydration therapy bypasses the restrictive gastrointestinal tract entirely. Delivering sterile fluids directly into the bloodstream grants nutrients immediate, total cellular access. This comparison chart shows the typical efficiency of oral hydration, which yields between 20 and 50% bioavailability and requires up to 60 minutes to process. Compare that to clinical IV delivery. You get a guaranteed 100% bioavailability, and it happens immediately. This data characterizes IV therapy as a high-efficiency delivery system for rapid physiological restoration. Once you have a direct delivery system in place, the focus shifts to the specific bioavailable compounds you choose to send through it. These infusions have very distinct objectives. B-complex vitamins address chronic fatigue. High-dose vitamin C supports immune response, and targeted amino acids flush lactic acid after intense exertion. We can also use this delivery mechanism to address the natural energy decline that comes with aging. This diagram illustrates a cell powered by NAD+. This essential coenzyme converts food into energy, but levels drop as we age, slowing mitochondrial output. Introducing the precursor niagen directly into the bloodstream safely elevates NAD+ levels. This bypasses biological hurdles to restore mitochondrial integrity. Integrating this delivery system with cellular repair compounds offers a direct method for maintaining physical and cognitive performance. Historically, IV therapy was seen strictly as a reactive tool, reserved for severe illness or acute hospital-bound dehydration. Today, however, high-performing adults are utilizing clinical hydration therapy as a consistent, relaxing routine for their ongoing preventative maintenance. This shift is highly accessible through medically supervised clinics, like Prime IV Hydration and Wellness in Wall Township, New Jersey, which offer customized treatments. The process takes 45 to 60 minutes. It is a comfortable, painless wellness routine that requires no post-treatment downtime. Local medical experts evaluate your unique dehydration symptoms and recommend the specific therapy your body requires. Bypassing the biological bottleneck of digestion provides a direct mechanism to support your long-term vitality.